Hari Om. Welcome to ANIRUDDHA'S Creative Learners YouTube channel. Today we are going to make this landscape design. So let's get started. This is the opening screen of Pixellab mobile app. We are changing the background to white. Click here to take the bezier tool. Bezier tool has appeared. Click on this join option. These two nodes are joined now. Now click on this icon to move the handles. Here we are trying to make the ground on which the landscape is seen. Okay, now we will fill color in this. Fill color option. Click on this icon. We want little light color. We can use this plus icon to search the color and take the color. Click OK. We want little lighter than this. Again this, click this and take some lighter shade. Okay. We want this area to be little darker. What we are going to do is we will make one more copy of this and crop this another copy here. Oh, we have clicked on the copy and we will mask it. Yeah, here is the mask option. We can move these nodes and handles. Click enable. There are two options in mask, inside and outside. When we click on in this particular shape, that whatever is inside is masked. When we click out, whatever is outside is masked, means hidden. So we have opted for the other thing. We have opted for this out option. Okay, now we have cropped or masked this particular shape to some extent and we want to change the color inside. First click OK. This much area is masked. This much area we have separated from this shape. Now we will apply some color here. Enable. By default red color is shown. We will use dark color. Okay. Now we will keep this color inside this shape. Okay. Now we will join these two colors. Click on the layer panel. Click here. Click both the shapes and then merge. There is option called merge. Then click OK. Now both shapes are merged together. Click on layer panel again. Now we are going to make trees. Again click on the bezier tool. First we will make the leaf. click on this join option. Now click on this option of pulling the handles or adjusting. We will put color inside this leaf. Okay, we want little line inside the leaf. We will again click on the bezier tool, click OK. Now what we are going to do is we are going to change the color of this particular line into white color. Color option and white color. Okay, now we are going to delete that particular area. For that reason we can use this erase color option, but first we should merge this line and the leaf. For that purpose click on the layers panel, click here, merge the line and the leaf. Okay, now erase. Okay, our leaf is ready. Now with the help of this leaf we can make more leaves. Copy. We can flip this leaf to another side. This is the easiest option. Click on the crop and then click on this option and click on OK. The leaf is flipped. We can change the shape of the leaf. We can use multiple leaves. Now we need a stem. We are again opening the panel of bezier tool. Click on the join. Click here. Okay, now we will click on the color, fill color. Okay, now this is the stem. We want to crop this stem. Click on this crop option. Okay, the stem is ready. Now you can again adjust the leaves as per requirement. Now you can merge these layers of leaves and the stem. Click on the all leaves and stem. Click merge and OK. Now this tree is ready. We are going to make one more copy, and we are going to change the color of the other copy. Little darker shade we will use. Click plus. OK. Plus. OK. So the other leaf is ready. Now we are going to make the sun. Use circle shape. Click on this. Click on the circle shape. Fill yellow color. Yeah, here it is fill option. Fill yellow color. Stroke width. First stroke use black color. Now one more layer we are going to make. Click on the copy. This layer we will convert into little light green color. And we will reduce the opacity. Now we will perfectly align these two shapes. First I will like to move this light color shape behind the yellow. We can drag from this panel. Now click on this particular icon and adjust the alignment to the center. Okay. Now use the same process for this also. So now both shapes are in perfect alignment. We can merge them. Now move this sun behind the landscape. We need to move this particular sun position option. We need to reduce the size of the sun, relative size option. Again move. Okay. Now we are going to write landscape. Change the font. Here I have used this Kaise regular font. Okay. Now color it. We will use dark green color. We want to increase the space. Here is the option. Our landscape flat design is ready. Hari Om Shriram Ambadnya. Thank you for watching Aniruddha's Creative Learners YouTube channel.